Hi everyone, welcome back to IZ Network channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress in your local computer, which is you don't need internet, and it's called developer mode. As you see right here, I created a IZ Networks WordPress. So I'm gonna hit start. It will take some time. Okay, it's running right now. So I can click open the site, so which is give me the WordPress website installed. If I go to um, WP-admin, I can log in to the admin panel of the local host. So you don't need internet for that. It's just need to log in, and it will give you the um, WAP admin dashboard, so you can, if you guys are familiar with WordPress, so you will know what I'm talking about. So here you can install a plugin and do everything that you want, and install the theme, everything. So for this thing, how we are going to do that? So um, we can just type local WP, and it will direct you to the first link, or you can just write down localwp.com. So right here, you can download, which is pretty easy. Just download it for free. Which platform you want, you need to select. If you are, I'm working on Windows, so if you work on Linux or Mac, so just select. Here you need to just fill your name and all the information, which is pretty easy, and hit get it now. After getting this one, so it will direct you. You can install it, which is pretty easy. If you install it right here, um, I already installed it. So which user you can install it? For example, I want to for just for my user, and next, and install. That's it. So later you will see the icon in the desktop like this. Just double click it and open it, which is open this one. Let's create a website right now. I'm gonna stop my website. So we will gonna create another one. So just click right here at local site, and it says what's your site name. So you just give a site name as in networks demo. I'm gonna call this one as in networks demo and continue. Here you can choose the database version and the PHP version. If you are beginner, so I will prefer the preferred one. Don't go with the custom one. Just go with the preferred one and continue. You need your WordPress username, which is later you will need it for WP admin dashboard. So you need to go to the admin page. So I'm going to put admin and admin. So you need to put your email address right here. So put your email address. I'm gonna put my email address, and put your email address and at the website. So it will take sometimes to install the WordPress. Um, so just you need to wait for this one, because it will install the WordPress file in the directory in your computer. So I believe it will install it in the local site, which is in your user, and it will create it here. If I see AZ Networks, you need to go to the apps and public. That's the WordPress files, all the WordPress file, which is you can see AW content, plugins, and themes, if you want to like create anything, and like a wconfig PHP file if you want to edit anything of this file. So it's right here, which is in your username, and it will call local site and AZ network and app app. So you can go to there's a local SQL database, which is pretty easy. That's a new one that I just created. I need to wait for, oh, here is it. So you see right here is starting. So you can just open your site. So it will create, you see right here, as a network demo is just another WordPress site. Let's try to go to admin dashboard. So there you go. Put your username and password, and that's it. You are here. Let's make some changes in the sample page. Um, we can, oh, sorry guys, that's a sample page. There's a hello world. We can say, welcome to WordPress. This is this is my first local website demo, and just update. Just go to see the website. There you go. This is welcome to WordPress. This is my first local website demo. I hope you guys like it, and please don't forget to like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, just write a comment how we can make it better, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.